Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay Sagittarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also Sagittarius, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Sagittarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy here, Sagittarius, and the channel messages. Okay Sagittarius, so on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy comes in here as well, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So you could have any of those energy on your chart, or your person could have any of those energy in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy first here Sagittarius, because I'm getting a very strong emotional pain, I would say here, emotional pain, sadness and heartbroken energy. At the same time here, I'm also getting like you have been carrying a lot of baggages, you've been carrying a lot of burden within yourself here, and I feel like this is the time for you here to let go of all of those baggages, to let go of all of those burden, because I feel like this burden and these baggages that you've been carrying for a while here Sagittarius, this is something that you've been carrying like for a very long time. Some of you here have been carrying even like your childhood pain, your childhood trauma. Some of you here also have been carrying a lot of pain and a lot of trauma from your past relationship here. So I feel like it's like this is something that is happening to you subconsciously, I would say here Sagittarius, because you feel within yourself here that you deserve to carry all of this burden, you deserve to carry all of this shame, I would say here, or the pain or the trauma within yourself here, because somehow you feel like you deserve to be punished, I would say here, or like you just deserve to not feel good, you just deserve to not get anything good or anything positive in your life. So this particular mindset is what you need to let go of here Sagittarius, because the more that you hold on into this here, the more you're going to feel struggle within yourself here, emotionally speaking, because at this point of time here with this moon and the Three of Swords energy comes up is that you're actually really feeling this sadness, heartbroken energy, and just like overall within yourself here Sagittarius, I'm getting like a very strong emptiness energy comes in here for you here as well. So this is definitely not something, this is definitely not a state, the state of mind as well as the state of emotional that you need to be, you know, like you need to be in, I would say here. And then the last, this is going to be for a specific group of you, I would say here Sagittarius, not for everyone. The last new moon here has been quite intense for you here as well as and then some of you here with the next full moon, you might also feel a lot of, you know, like pain and emotional trauma, just getting a lot of triggers within yourself. So it's really important for you here to pay attention onto that. And instead of being afraid of the moon cycle or of the moon energy here, what you need to do here Sagittarius is that let those energy guide you towards the things that you need to heal, towards the things that you need to let go of here is what I'm getting. Now another thing that I've got coming up for you here Sagittarius, I'm getting the Seven of Cups energy comes up here. So this is talking about a little bit of confusion and just like not sure which way that you need to go, which one that you need to heal first. So you are feeling at this point of time is like your energy is all over the place, like you have a lot of things that you need to fix, a lot of things that you need to be working on here, but at the same time you don't know where to begin or where to start here. This is also another reason why I've got the Ten of Wands energy comes in here. You cannot figure out something while at the same time you're also carrying a lot of baggages and a lot of burden from your past here. This is something, and this is basically the time for you here to let everything go at this time, I would say here. And then lastly here, Sagittarius, for you, I've got the Ace of Cups energy comes in here and the Lovers energy. Yes, you're definitely going to be attracting your soulmate or your twin flame back onto your life, but before this can happen, you need to open up yourself. You need to open up your heart chakra specifically here, as well as healing your heart chakra here. Now let's look at into your person energy here, and it's also quite interesting because I've got the same Ace of Cups energy comes in here as well. So it's like both of you at this point of time here need to go through the healing, the necessary transformation, as well as opening up your heart chakra here to go through the healing. And you don't have to feel ashamed, I would say here. So it's like both of you are also mirroring each other up, I would say here, Sagittarius, because the way that you feel ashamed within yourself, the same way as well that your person is also feeling ashamed of themselves here. And what are the things that they're feeling ashamed of here? I've got the Seven of Swords energy comes in here and the Five of Wands. They actually do want to talk to you because I've got the Three of Pentacles coming in here as well. They want to be able to meet you face to face and like just open up themselves, open up their heart, basically like open up everything that they want to tell you here. But at the same time here, they're also feeling conflicted within themselves here because they believe within themselves here that they don't deserve you, or they don't deserve to even meet you. They don't even deserve to talk to you here because of everything that they had done towards you here, either intentionally or unintentionally. So this is also that they're feeling shameful, they're feeling regretful, as well as guilty for how they've been treating you here, Sagittarius. And this is what making them to feel that they are not worth it, or they just don't deserve you at all here. So this is also some way, somehow you're also feeling almost the same, but just in a different way, I would say here, Sagittarius. So this is what's currently, I wouldn't say blocking, but serving as a huge delay and serving as a huge challenge between both of you at this point of time here, Sagittarius. Now looking at the channel messages that I've got coming up here, I've got I wish I could talk to you right now, and then I've also got emotional healing comes in here as well. So again, this is the confirmation about this two Ace of Cups energy comes in here as well. Both of you, I would say here, both of you are struggling, especially them. They are really struggling to open up their heart. They are really struggling to like to feel that they actually deserve you here, Sagittarius. So this is like the main issue at this point of time here. They are feeling at this point of time here that they don't deserve you, and like they feel also at this point of time like after everything that they've done towards you here, I think it's best for them to like to just like step back a little bit here, so they can't hurt you anymore. So this is also another thing that's kind of like weighing them down, is what I'm getting coming up here, Sagittarius. So yeah, like I said, almost a similar energy is what I'm getting coming up here. So that's it for your reading here, Sagittarius. I hope this reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.